Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on Suggest Replies in Microsoft Teams on Android. So how to turn on Suggest Replies in Microsoft Teams on Android? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Microsoft Teams app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Microsoft Teams app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. And a scrolling down menu will appear. Tap Menu Settings. And tap the Messaging menu. Tap Suggested Replies. So that's it, this tutorial on how to turn on Suggest Replies in Microsoft Teams on Android. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.